Hi everybody, this is Snook, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, I do unboxings, everything from makeup to lifestyle to clothing to I have a new box coming that has to do with art, and I'm really excited. I started doing subscription unboxings because I love surprises, and I've gone a very long time without being able to get any fun things in my life. About 2 months ago, I was lucky enough that my blogging paid off, and I received some money from that, and I decided to treat myself to some subscription boxes. So I thought I would share my love for opening up surprises and subscription boxes with you all. And if that sounds like fun, just keep on watching. So today we have a brown box with a shipping label on the other side that I'm not showing. This box is called Awakening in a Box, and each month it has to do with crystals and tarot cards or oracle cards, or there's one version of the box that you can get all the extras and both the tarot and the oracle decks in the same box. What I do like about this company is that they fit everything into the right size box. They don't just have a standard box that they shove stuff in with a whole bunch of extra room. They do change the sizes of their boxes to fit what is inside of them. So it does save the environment that way. So last month, which I will link it somewhere, we ended up getting a tarot card deck, and I really love it. It's really neat. This month I decided to go with the oracle deck, so we'll see what's in here. Each month also there's a theme to the box. This month's theme for July was dreaming. So let's put this over here and see what we got. So first you always get a beautiful art print, and this is like a boat sailing. It's actually brighter than what it's showing up. The sun's coming up, so my lighting is going to be kind of weird. And then on the back of the card, it goes through everything that you're going to get in your box, and it gives you prices, which I'll put the prices down below. We'll worry about that later. The first thing that we have is called 40 Winks. It is a tea, and it is a loose leaf tea, as you can see. So you would need a tea ball in order to use it. And it does have a Ziploc top to it, and it does give you the directions on how to steep it and how long. So, and it doesn't have any caffeine, so this is something that you can have a glass of or a mug of before you go to bed at night, which is really neat because that goes perfectly with the theme. The next thing that we have is Mist Your Mood. Alright. And it is a lavender spray. And it definitely smells like lavender. If you do not like lavender, you're not going to like this. If you like lavender, you're going to love this. It's got a really fine mist though. I don't know if you saw that or not. I mean, it's really a fine mist. And people spray this on their pillows at night. You can spray it everywhere. And it is vegan and pretty sure. Let's put the old glasses on. Try to read the small, tiny type. All natural ingredients, non-toxic and eco-friendly, not tested on animals, and paraffin-free. So this is really cool, I think. Then, every month, you get a card that is, you get a crystal of the month. There we go. And this month is Dream Amethyst. And then you also get the crystal that goes along with the card. And that is, there we go. And that's his crystal right here, which is really pretty. Dream Amethyst, affirmation. Universal energy and knowledge come to me in dreams. Dream Amethyst is a combination of amethyst and white quartz mixed together in a striped, banded, or chevron pattern. It combines the strengthening qualities of quartz with the calming and psychic enhancing qualities of amethyst. This combination of minerals lends itself to a wonderfully spiritual stone, which is great for gently removing the veils that obscure some of the hidden meanings in dreams. Dream Amethyst can deepen your sleep state, allowing your higher guidance to communicate in dreams. Aligns with the crown and third eye chakras in all zodiac signs. So that's really cool. And definitely keeping with the whole theme of the box. And then last, we have a nice sturdy box with Dream Interpretation Oracle cards and 36 cards to explore and explain dreams. Not just for interpretation, the cards will help process the dreams to cope with problems and create growth and self-confidence. And open it. And inside there is, oh, it even has a little ribbon in the box. That's cool. So it comes with a really nice book that tells you how to use the cards. And it comes in 6 different languages, which is really nice. And I'm just gonna, the artwork and text, I cannot pronounce these names, so yeah. And you can read those all on your own. So that way I don't do the person that made this any injustice. I really like this company. The last one came with a really, really nice book, instructional book also. So if this is something that's new for you, you're not left in the dark. It's not like here's a deck of cards that you have no idea what to do with, which I really like. So you can, even if you know nothing about it, you can try it out and see if you like it. And these are the backs of the cards, what it looks like, which I think are beautiful. That knight. And then here's some of the artwork. And here's the artwork for love. One says sweets. Strangers. So it's got really pretty, unique artwork on here. Nature. Ooh. Riding. She didn't have any pants on. Just gonna have chafing. Anyway. Sorry. It's my first thought. Can't be all that comfortable. So, like I said, I don't know anything about oracle cards. I definitely am going to have to read up on these and see how to use these to interpret dreams and that. But it does give quite a bit of instructions in the booklet that comes with it. And last month when I got the tarot card deck, it did the same thing. Got this, which is the big ticket item. We got our Dream Amethyst, which I think is really cool. I really like that. The one thing to note, just in its raw form. So it's not going to send off sparkles of light or anything like that. So I'll put that back in here along with our card. But I really like that they give you the card and tell you about the stone and also give you the stone. I really like that. And then we got tea, which tea is always good. And I used to get one kind of tea that I used to drink before bed all the time. And so I'm really looking forward to using this. And then we have our lavender spray, which, again, if you like lavender, you're going to love this. If you do not like lavender, you're going to hate it. I mean, that's just, it smells like lavender. It doesn't bug me as much as other lavender things do, but I think that that's because it has a really fine mist, so you're not getting like a big glob of scent right on you. You're getting a nice dispersed scent. So I'm not mad at this, even though lavender is not necessarily my favorite scent, if that helps. And then we have our beautiful card, which again, the one from last month and this one were both really beautiful. I mean, you could put them in frames when you were done, or wait and collect them and do something with them. These are really pretty. I really like this box. I will admit I liked last month's box better. I wanted to try the Oracle to see what it looked like, what an Oracle deck looked like. So there's a bunch of different choices of what you can get, and I think that's really neat too. So we'll see what the next month, I don't even know the theme of next month yet. They didn't have it up, but I did change it back to the tarot cards. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what next month will entail. And I hope you enjoyed the box and what was in it. And thank you so much for stopping and spending some time with me. I really appreciate it. And I hope you had at least a chuckle or two and got to see something that you normally wouldn't see. So have a really great day.